This is our new Cordless Chainsaw Kit that we just came in today. As he's taking things out of the box, you'll be able to see what they are. This has an efficient operation. It only takes about 4 seconds to cut a log with a diameter of about 3 inches. It has a large capacity battery that is a 21 volt. It's removable and rechargeable. It's lithium. Got gloves that comes with it. Only takes one hand to use it. He's putting the power pack on it. It has an upgraded copper wire high efficiency motor, and it's good for women too.
Spare chain,
There you go.
charger, tools, and we're going to cut a little limb here that's in the way.
Okay.
And there
Did
it
you
is.
see how fast that came off? That's amazing. Look how well that works. Quick, easy, does the job. There you go.
Works great.
Yeah, it does. It works really, really well. That's extremely good. We really like it. And then when you're done, it all fits nicely back in there if you want to put it all away. We're not going to. But did you see how quick that went? That was really amazing. Okay, so put the power pack back in.